Alright, I got the new mb200 mini bike. I just bought it brand new. Let's put it together, see how it rides. Full suspension. Gotta take it off this rack, put the shocks up, put the tires on. Comes with it's belt driven. I didn't know that. I thought it was gonna be 2 chains, but it's belt driven. Comes with a title or like a registration paper. Headlight. But yeah, I must put it together. So for right now, I put the handlebars on, all that good stuff. Has a 196cc. I'm not familiar with that brand. The JD. The brakes are awesome on these ones, the disc brakes, the go-karts. This is cool. I like how it has 2 different foot rests. We're going to 8 feet backwards or forwards. It's coming along well. Got the handlebars on. I got to tighten the handlebars up. Got the fender on. I just got to put the tire on. Put some gas in it. Take the plastic off the seat. I might leave the plastic on the seat. I'm not sure yet. I like the black handlebars because mostly all of them come with chrome handlebars. Alright, it's ready to, we got it up and going, we got the gas in it and everything. Yep, there she is. Up and going. Nice bike, I like it. I prefer if you guys get a mini bike with full suspension because it helps your butt, your back, your butt. I mean, it's rough when you're riding through stuff, hills and off-road. It's a good bike. You got a family farm at home, tractor supply, stuff like that. That's where you can get them at. Where I'm at, they're on sale. They're $100 off. What's that?